This video is about the property of rational numbers, mainly the property of associativity. So, in case you have not watched the previous videos, kindly go to the previous videos for those properties which you might have missed, not understood, and keep watching again and again till you understand. Let us start with the property of associativity. Now friends, we start the property of associativity for rational numbers, but we will also see it for other numbers. What is the property of associativity? Let us understand first. For any three numbers, suppose you have A, B and C, you can pay attention to the screen, watch the screen. A plus into brackets B plus C means what are you doing? You are taking the addition of B and C, and to that addition you are adding A. And that if it is equal to addition of A plus B, you can see that in brackets, and to that addition of A plus B, you are adding C. I'll repeat. On the left side, it's addition of B and C, you add A. On the right side, it is addition of A and B, you add C. Let us consider a very simple example for you to understand the property of associativity. Suppose the value of A is 1, B is 2 and C is 3. So, what will be the left hand side? A plus into brackets B plus C, right? Let us substitute A as 1, B as 2 and C as 3. So that will be 1 plus into brackets 2 plus 3. That will be equal to 1 plus, how much is the addition in the bracket? 5. And 1 plus 5 is equal to 6. Remember, the left hand side value is 6. Now see the right hand side. It is brackets into brackets A plus B, and to that addition you have to add C. And what are the values? A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2 and C is equal to 3. So let us substitute that in the right hand side. Into brackets 1 plus 2, close the bracket, plus 3. So how much is the addition of the bracket? 3 plus 3 as it is, and the final value of RHS is 6. LHS was 6, RHS is 6, that is A plus into brackets B plus C is equal to into brackets A plus B plus C. So if you have understood the property of associativity, let's check this property of associativity for the first type of numbers. They are whole numbers. And here are the columns, or here is the table that we all are familiar with. The first column is mathematical operation, the second column numbers, and the third remarks. So don't forget, what are we dealing with? The property of associativity for whole numbers. The first mathematical operation is addition and the whole numbers are. Again, I have taken the same example. A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2, C is equal to 3. So left hand side 1 plus into brackets 2 plus 3, that is equal to 1 plus addition of bracket is 5 and 1 plus 5 is 6. And let us take the other side combination 1 plus 2 in brackets and let us add 3. So how much is 1 plus 2 in brackets? 3 plus 3 outside, that gives 6. So LHS is 6 and RHS is 6 as A plus into brackets B plus C is equal to into brackets A plus B plus C. What is our remark? Addition is associative for whole numbers. The second mathematical operation, that is subtraction, and the values of A are 1, B 2 and C 3. Let us take the left hand side for subtraction. It will be 1 minus into brackets 2 minus 3. What will that be equal to? 1 as it is minus. How much is the subtraction in the bracket? minus 1, and in the next step you can see it becomes 1 minus into minus plus 1, and 1 plus 1 gives you 2. Now let us consider the right hand side. It will be in brackets 1 minus 2 and outside the bracket minus 3. In the next step, how much is the bracket? Minus 1 and outside the bracket minus 3. So minus 1 and minus 3 will give you minus 4. Now RHS was 2, now LHS was 2, and RHS is minus 4. As you can see, A minus B into brackets minus C is not equal to A minus into brackets B minus C. And if they are not equal, what is the remark? Subtraction is not an associative property for whole numbers. Friends, let us take the third mathematical operation, that is multiplication. The values of A, B and C remain same, 1, 2 and 3 respectively. Let us take the left side, 1 into, in brackets 2 into 3. How much will that give you? 1 as it is. Multiplication inside the bracket is 2 3s are 6. So 1 into 6 is equal to 6. Remember, the LHS is 6 now. And the RHS into brackets 1 into 2. Close the bracket into 3. So how much is the bracket now? 2 into 3 outside. 2 into 3 is equal to 6. RHS is also 6, as A into brackets B into C is equal to brackets A into B into C. What is our remark? The remark is multiplication is associative for whole numbers. Now the last mathematical operation, division. Values of A, B and C remain 1, 2 and 3 respectively. So 1 divided by into brackets 2 divided by 3 is equal to 1 divided by, can we write it as 2 upon 3? Yes, that becomes 1 multiplied by. When division becomes multiplication, 2 upon 3 will become 3 upon 2, that is reciprocal, and the multiplication finally is 3 upon 2. Remember, this is the left hand side. And what about the right hand side expression? Into brackets 1 divided by 2 and the bracket is divided by 3. So 1 divided by 2 is written as 1 upon 2 divided by 3. 1 upon 2 remains as it is. Division becomes multiplication and 3 becomes reciprocal. 1 upon 3. How much is the answer? It is 1 upon 6. See the LHS. It was 3 upon 2. See the RHS. It is 1 upon 6. As A divided by brackets B divided by C is not equal to brackets A divided by B divided by C. What is the remark? Division is not associative for whole numbers. You must have very well understood the property of associativity, not only for rational numbers but for other types of numbers also. In case you have not understood, keep repeating the videos, keep watching the videos again and again till you understand. This is the easiest way of understanding mathematics. We will be coming soon with the next video. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe, share, like and comment. Take care. See you soon.